Oh my god. Oh my god, no hands. We're not gonna die. Oh shit, no, watch the outfit. No, I'm just kidding. Look at that dark cloud. It's not gonna rain. It takes like forever. It's so slow because it's so old. What if we just stopped here? It got broken before. It stopped before on the way up. People have to sit here for like 2 hours. Those bunny hops are gonna kill us. Oh my god, oh my god. It's a lot smaller than El Toro. Oh shit, oh shit! We're gonna die, bitches! Fuck, fuck, oh my god! Did you spring? Fuck! That was 2 minutes. Wow.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay. Hi, James. Looks like we're going to jail cell.
What?
Looks like you're going to jail cell. Jail. We beat them. Okay. Yeah. All right.